Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a presentation on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. In the first step, navigate to Gamma AI and log into your account and select Gammas on the left hand side here. Here at the top guys, you will see these three buttons. From the right to the left, you may either import the presentation, for example from Microsoft PowerPoint, and after that ask the artificial intelligence to enhance it or you may add changes and edits to it manually, or you may create a completely new presentation yourself. Or option number 3, you may use the AI presentation builder to let the artificial intelligence do that for you based on your input prompt. So let us go with that option. To do that, click into Create New here. And after that, select Generate here. As previously mentioned, you can also use templates or imported presentations, or use notes, for example, outlines, and ask the artificial intelligence to build a presentation based on that. I will go with a prompt. So let us click into Generate here. And after that, simply go through that pre-presentation setup. And after that, enter your prompt here. You may, for example, select how many cards you would like to use for your presentation. And as you can see with my membership status, I can use up to 10 cards or slides for a presentation, or you can go with a web page, a document, or social media post. I will go for presentation. Then guys, you may use the card design mode, for example, as well as the card size or page orientation like 16:9, 4:3. You can change these also later here inside your presentation, but we're going to talk about that later. And also guys, you may change the language if you like. I will go with English. So click into that field here. You may go also with one of these example prompts if you like, or suggestions. I will go with my own prompt, that one here, for the sake of this tutorial, and start by creating or letting the artificial intelligence create an outline for you. And after that, let us guide you through the next steps. So give it a few moments to craft the outline for a presentation for card 1, card 2, or slide number 1, slide 2, slide 3, all of that based on your input prompt. So let me scroll down and you will see the creation here live. And as you can see guys, if you scroll to the very bottom, you will see that we can use up to 5,000 characters for such a presentation. Now you can create or add more cards, or leave it at that for these 10 cards, and continue by customizing your presentation. You may, for example, set up the text content like minimal, concise, detailed, extensive, go on with these. You may customize your visuals, for example, a color theme or a general theme for your presentation. Then you may add an image source, select an AI image model, and also select an image art style. So go through that one, guys, go through the settings and select the one you would like to go. I will go with that theme here, and also select an abstract, or we can go with a line art, for example, line art, image art style. You may add also, but that's optional, extra keywords to help your artificial intelligence build your presentation based on these. I will leave it at that. You can also go with one of these or with some of these suggestions. And once you're ready, guys, click into Generate here. Give the artificial intelligence a few moments. So let us be patient. And after that, you will be redirected to the presentation building here, based on your prompt, with the theme, with the topic, with these images, the image style, the text style, precise or concise, extensive, and so on, and so forth. Here to the left, guys, you will see the overview of your slides, starting with card or slide number 1. And that's basically it. So let us wait for slide 10 to be finished. Here to the right, you will see various customization and content editing tools. You may use these, of course, as well to customize not only each slide, but basically each content block, text block, or slide. And there you go. We're already at slide number 9, then we got slide number 10, the closing slide. And there you go. That's your Gamma. Now you can click into Show Me Here. You'll be then guided through a short tutorial here. Let me just close that. And after that, as previously mentioned, guys, you can customize your presentation, add all kinds of content to it. For example, you can add various text boxes, tables, headings, titles, lists, to-do lists, notes, buttons, and so on and so forth, guys. Then we got images. You can upload these from your device or use an AI image generator or one of these sources here to add these to your slides and to each block. You can, of course, customize each block by clicking into it, select it, and after that, change the layout, move it, for example, change the size, the alignment, remove it, for instance, add more of these blocks by clicking into that button or by clicking into basic blocks here. Then you may customize the layout, for example. So guys, it's basically that's basically how you create a presentation using the artificial intelligence on Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.